Good morning, everyone. This is day one in Mumbai. I am excited. We're going to be exploring the city in one day. So, stay tuned. Okay folks, it's about that time to get outside and explore Mumbai, so I'm actually just about ready. It is about, what time is it? About 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time, or India Standard Time. So about to head out shortly, but just wanted to do a quick video and say that I'm not feeling the best. I don't know really what really came down on me, but I'm feeling horrible. I have some horrible sensation in my stomach. But still trying to get out there and not waste the day because I've already wasted about half of it laying in bed. So I'm trying to get out and see some stuff. So bear with me, guys. But wow, this lighting is like really good in here. I just want to say that before we leave. But anyways, headed out to explore the city right now. Go to this place called Andheri Station, and then I have to take a local train. So, platform 2, and here we're coming. I don't think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but oh well. I'm going to platform 2, and I'm getting off. So I'm here waiting for the train, but I don't know if this is the train I'm supposed to be taking because they have no actual directions as to which stop you're at and how many stops you need to go. Like there's no platform thing that shows you all of the stops. So it's a little bit confusing, but we're gonna try to figure it out because the train is here. So I'm going into the ladies only platform. Finally reached the Crawford Market. It took a while. I got off at the local train from Andheri, and then I didn't know how to get onto the other train, and I just found this taxi guy who said 10 rupees to go to Crawford Market. And I looked at Uber and it was like 80 rupees, so I was like, seems like a good deal. Shoot. Inside of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, very famous Mumbai hotel, very sought after. So I'm gonna take a look. So the hotel is nice. So guys, first day at my new hotel in Mumbai, and I was getting dinner at the buffet downstairs, and there was an argument, and it was getting crazy violent and loud, and it was awkward because You could tell that there was like animosity between these group of men, and the manager was actually called to come in and actually mitigate the situation. But basically, it didn't mitigate the situation. It just got worse. And eventually they got the guy to leave, but he wanted the other guy fired. And so it ended up just being an actual mess, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm glad I'm not in that drama. I am just here to explore, to see, to have fun, to be at a wedding, and to be stress-free. So day one is in the books. It was an absolute crazy mess getting here from JFK. I actually did 4 countries in 1.5 days, or around 36 hours of traveling. So I went from JFK to Beijing, Beijing to Singapore, Singapore to Mumbai. I pretty much did all of Asia in one day, guys. It was crazy. But I'm excited and I am refreshed, or at least I will be refreshed once I get a great night's sleep and just start exploring more and get out there and see some more things. So excited, bear with me. Let's go.